Today we'll talk about how to close a defect or perforation with clips. In general, closure is indicated if there is a perforation or you performed a deep resection, but often we do prophylactic closures in patients at risks for bleeding or having a transmural burn, or after tunneling procedures such as POEM. There are several types of clips which we need to know well. We need to know the diameter of the opening hands of the clip, and also it's important to know the length of the arms that have the clips, because there are clips that have short and long arms. And as you can see here, there are various types of clips. There are disposable clips, and there are clips that have less arm diameter opening capacities, and clips that have more strength that can close defects. It's very important that we know the mechanisms of clip opening and operation. Observe here how part of the clip is still inside of its deploying tip, and when you open the clip, this is exposed.